Adventurers today face some serious challenges: extreme weather conditions, unpredictable wildlife, and ever-changing terrain. In 2025, the need for reliable, high-tech survival gear is crucial. Without the proper tools, a simple mistake or a sudden storm could quickly turn your adventure into a life-or-death situation. So what's essential for surviving in the wilderness today? When you're out hiking or camping, clean water isn't always available. The LifeStraw personal water filter is a compact, lightweight device that filters water directly from streams, rivers, or even puddles, making it drinkable. It's easy to use, just sip through the straw, and it removes harmful bacteria and parasites. This filter is perfect for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities and wants to ensure they have access to clean water no matter where they are. The LifeStraw uses a hollow fiber membrane filtration system, capable of filtering up to 1,000 liters of water. Its simple design doesn't require any pumping or chemicals, and it's a must-have in emergency preparedness kits. Whether you're trekking in remote areas or facing an unforeseen disaster, the LifeStraw ensures that you're never without a reliable water source. Stay safe, hydrated, and prepared. Grab your LifeStraw now by clicking the link below. Starting a fire in an emergency can be difficult, especially in windy or wet conditions. The Pyro, Putty, Stow, and Go ARC electric lighter is a rechargeable, windproof, and waterproof lighter that can ignite your fire in virtually any condition. Whether you're lighting a campfire or a stove, this tool is designed for ease of use, even in extreme weather. Plus, it comes with a single-use summer putty to help start your fire, ensuring you're always prepared when you need heat. The Pyro, Putty, Stow, and Go ARC lighter is powered by an electric arc that creates a high-temperature heat source, capable of lighting tinder in rain, snow, and wind. With its rechargeable design, it's more eco-friendly than traditional lighters, and its compact size makes it perfect for storing in your pack or emergency kit. Whether you're navigating through harsh weather or need to signal for help, this tool is built to withstand the elements and is an essential part of your survival gear. Be prepared for any fire-starting scenario. Check out more details and buy one now through the link below. If you've ever struggled with inflating air mattresses or pool floats while camping, the Flextail gear air pump is here to help. This small, rechargeable air pump inflates or deflates camping gear quickly and easily, saving you time and energy. It also doubles as a camping lantern, providing both light and air inflation in one device. It's perfect for beginners who need a lightweight, versatile tool for a comfortable outdoor experience. The Flextail gear air pump offers 4 kilopascals of inflation power, making it efficient for larger items like air mattresses or sleeping pads. Its compact magnetic design allows for easy storage, and it's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about running out of power. The built-in camping lantern provides adjustable lighting, making it useful for both practical needs and atmosphere around camp. This versatile multifunctional pump is a perfect addition to any minimalist camping setup. Learn more and pick one up through the link below. If you're heading into the wilderness or camping in remote areas, a flashlight is a must-have for safety and convenience. The IMALENT MS-03 flashlight offers 13,000 lumens of brightness, enough to illuminate your entire campsite or help you navigate in complete darkness. It's rechargeable, super bright, and compact, making it easy to carry in your pack or on your belt. This powerful light is essential for ensuring visibility at night. The IMALENT MS-03 uses Cree XH P70.2 LEDs to produce an incredible 13,000 lumens of light, offering a beam distance of up to 475 meters. With its rechargeable lithium battery, you won't have to worry about running out of power. This flashlight is perfect for search and rescue or operations, fishing trips, or any outdoor activity where visibility is crucial. Its compact size belies its power, and the rugged build ensures it can withstand harsh environments. Check out the IMALENT MS-03 now for unmatched brightness and reliability. Click the link below. A multi-tool can be your best friend in an emergency, and the LEATHERMAN Signal packs 19 tools into one compact device. From a knife to a fire starter and whistle, this tool offers everything you need to tackle common survival challenges. It's made for adventurers, whether you're camping, hiking, or backpacking, and it's easy to use for people of all skill levels. This all-in-one tool ensures that you're always prepared, no matter what comes your way. The LEATHERMAN Signal is engineered for versatility and durability. It includes a hammer, pliers, wire cutters, a saw, a fire starter, a whistle, a can, odd-on bottle opener, and multiple knife blades, all packed into a durable, lightweight frame. Ideal for outdoor expeditions, survival situations, or emergency preparedness, it's made to handle anything, from setting up camp to making quick repairs. With a secure locking mechanism and ergonomic design, it's as reliable as it is functional. Get your LEATHERMAN Signal today by clicking the link below and be ready for any challenge. In a survival situation, signaling for help can be a matter of life and death. The Vargo titanium emergency whistle is a lightweight and ultra-durable tool that can produce a loud, piercing sound, over 100 decibels, to attract attention. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities and wants a reliable signaling device. Plus, it's small and easy to carry, so you can always have it on hand. The Vargo titanium emergency whistle is crafted from titanium, making it both strong and lightweight, only weighing 0.1 ounces. Its keyless design means it won't clog or malfunction in the elements, and its high decibel output ensures you'll be heard even in noisy or windy conditions. Equipped with a reflective lanyard for visibility, this whistle is perfect for wilderness survival and emergency signaling. Stay safe and ready to signal for help with this must-have whistle. Check out the link below. If you're just starting to get into outdoor activities, a survival kit can provide peace of mind. The 265-piece survival kit comes with essential tools like first aid supplies, food rations, a fire starter, a multi-tool, and more. This kit is a great all-in-one solution for hikers, campers, or anyone looking to be prepared for any unexpected situation. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to store in your pack or car. This comprehensive 265-piece survival kit contains everything you need to survive in the wilderness, including first aid items, shelter building materials, fire starting tools, and more. The multi-system backpack ensures that all the gear is organized and easily accessible, making it an excellent choice for both short and extended outdoor expeditions. Whether you're heading into the backcountry or simply want to be prepared for emergencies, this kit has you covered. Get your hands on this essential survival kit by clicking the link below. Survival gear isn't just for experts, it's for anyone who enjoys outdoor adventures and wants to stay safe. These essential tools will make sure you're ready for whatever nature throws your way. Comment below and let us know what survival items you can't live without, and check out the links for more gear to keep you prepared on your next adventure.